Hello everyone. In this video, we are looking at the best OBD2 scanner. If you are looking for a powerful way to handle car maintenance and troubleshooting, you are in the right place. Today, we are focusing on an amazing tool that brings professional diagnostic power right into your hands on our channel Triplezon. It is packed with smart technology that makes fixing and understanding your car easier than ever. Let's get started. Dealing with car trouble can be super stressful, but the top-down RT-Diag OBD2 scanner is designed to change that completely. This clever device represents a modern approach to vehicle diagnostics by combining advanced technology with user-friendly features. It is built for professional mechanics and everyday car enthusiasts who want to streamline their maintenance. The first thing you will love is the one-click software update functionality. You just connect the device to your local Wi-Fi, and you can effortlessly access the latest features and enhancements. This ensures your tool remains completely up-to-date with evolving automotive systems without any manual hassle. The top-down RT-Diag OBD2 scanner also comes equipped with Bluetooth wireless connectivity. This means you can perform seamless diagnostics around your vehicle without dealing with any cumbersome cables, offering a highly convenient and flexible experience. If you ever prefer a traditional connection, the device also supports standard wired communication, providing you with versatile options depending on your current situation or vehicle requirements. Another incredible feature is the bidirectional control functionality. This goes way beyond basic error reading because it enables you to actively communicate with your vehicle systems. It allows for precise testing and adjustment of components, helping you locate faulty parts much more efficiently than standard diagnostic tools. By interacting directly with the car systems, the top-down RT-Diag OBD2 scanner facilitates in-depth analysis and troubleshooting. This supports tasks that range from resetting service indicators to testing actuators. The device offers comprehensive system coverage and practical functionality. Its intuitive design and powerful features make it a reliable companion for anyone seeking to maintain vehicle performance, reduce downtime, and quickly identify and resolve automotive issues. It brings a perfect blend of convenience, efficiency, and precision for the modern vehicle owner or technician. Taking care of your car does not have to be a guessing game anymore. Check the price link in the description to get your hands on this amazing tool right away. If you want to see more helpful videos on the best tech and gadgets, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. See you in the next video.